Z20 is a mid-range smartphone that comes with amazing features. It has a strong processor with a powerful battery that makes it apt for game freaks and other high-end users. It can further deal with heavy games and multiple apps consumption. On the other hand, the optics of the smartphone are equally good both rear and front. All in all, this device can be suitable for gamers, photography lovers, or for those who need long power backup. Nubia Z20 comes with a 6.42-inch OLED display having a screen resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels along with a density of 401 ppi. One can enjoy watching movies and playing games with the trendy aspect ratio of 19:9. It is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass. In the optics department, the device presents a 48MP, 5MP, and 2MP rear camera that can capture superb pictures. It also has a 16MP front lens, which meets the expectation of the users in terms of selfie pictures. Nubia Z20 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset that handles the overall functioning with ease. The device runs an octa-core processor at a frequency of up to 2.96 GHz, which is coupled with 6 GB RAM for lag-free user experience. The Adreno 640 GPU adds fine graphical effects to make gaming experience flawless. For the power backup, it depends on a huge 3,900 mAh battery that can last for a day and on moderate use can extend more than that. For the convenience of the users, it has fast charging support that lets users refill the juice in no time.